Hello and welcome to our video lessons on personality development class with the material ethic and also etiquette. This lesson is designed to help you understand the concept of ethic and also etiquette and how they play a vital roles in shaping your characters and behavior. Let's start this journey towards becoming more ethical, courteous, and also social aware individuals. So our learning objective narrations by the end of this lessons will be able first define ethic and etiquette clearly. The second one, distinguish between the two concepts. The third one, apply them appropriately in everyday situations. The fourth one, reflect on your own ethical and social behavior. The fifth one is analyze the influence of ethic and also etiquette in your personal and professional life. So, what is ethic? Ethics refers to the moral principles that guide our behavior. It involves discerning what is right and wrong and choosing to do what is good and even when no one is watching. Example of ethical behavior include telling the truth, for example, keeping promises, and also treating others with fairness and also respect. And then what is etiquette? Etiquette is about good manners and social acceptable behavior. It is how we act in social setting, such as greeting others, showing respect to elders, and also behaving appropriately in a public. While ethic is internal and also value-based, etiquette is external and also behavior-based. While ethic and also etiquette often work hand in hand, ethic deals with morality and decisions making, while etiquette deals with politeness and also presentations. For instance, being honest, it is ethic, and saying thank you, it is etiquette. Both reflect a person's characters and also cultural awareness. So, why ethic matters? Ethic form the foundations of trust in relationships, organizations, and also societies. Without ethical behavior, there is no justice, peace, or cooperation. In everyday life, ethics influence how we treat our family, peers, classmates, and also teachers or lecturers. So why etiquette matters? Etiquette makes social interactions smooth and respectful. It shows considerations from others for others, helps prevent misunderstanding, and enhance our image. Whether at the dinner party or a classroom discussions, etiquette allows us to engage positively with others. So I will give you example of ethical behaviors. For example, returning lost wallets, admitting a mistake, standing up against bullying, respecting difference in opinions. These actions reflect integrity, courage, and also responsibility. So, what is example of a proper etiquette, miss? So, the example of proper etiquette is, for example, greeting others with smile, waiting your turn to speak, dressing appropriately for the occasions, not interrupting someone when they are speaking. Etiquette reflects cultural understanding and also social intelligence. So, ethical dilemmas in daily life narrations. Have you ever faced situations where doing the right things felt difficult? Maybe seeing a friend cheat on a test or being pressured to lie. Ethical dilemmas test your values. Learning to handle them build your moral courage. Well, etiquette in school setting narrations. For example, in the classroom, etiquettes include being punctual, raising your hand before speaking, listening when others talk, not using phone during lectures. This behavior creates a respectful learning environment. While etiquette in online communications, yes, online manners matter too. Netiquette includes avoiding typing in all caps, like shootings, using polite language in chat and emails, not spreading rumors or hoax or offensive memes, and also respecting privacy. Being respectful online is just as important as offline. Okay, ethic in a group work narrations. For example, in teamwork, ethics mean sharing responsibilities, respecting others' ideas, giving credit fairly, for example, avoiding plagiarism. Working ethically builds strong collaboration, also trust. While etiquettes in group discussions, narrations, for example, discussions etiquettes include not interrupting, staying on the topic, encouraging quiet members to speak, showing appreciations for different view, and this help everyone feel valued and also heard. While ethic in social media narrations. So ethical use of social media involve not posting harmful content, thinking before sharing, avoiding cyberbullying, giving proper credit for posts or image. Social media is powerful, so use it responsibly. Okay, etiquette in social media relations on social media means that saying please and thank you in message, yeah, being respectful in the comments, not oversharing personal issues, using emojis wisely, kindness, and also considerations apply online too. Okay, ethic in friendships narrations. Good friends are loyal, honest, and also supportive. Ethical friendships include keeping confidence, telling the truth even when it's hard, being there in through times. Ethic keeps relationships healthy and also trustworthy. Well, etiquette in friendships narrations. Etiquettes among friends include not interrupting during stories, inviting rather than excluding, saying sorry when you hurt someone's. Good manners help strengthen emotional bond. Well, cross-cultural ethic narrations. Remember, different cultures have different ethic rules. In Japan, for example, bowing is a greeting. In India, touching others' feet is a sign of respect. Learning local customs help avoid misunderstanding and also shows aspirations or appreciations for diversity. Well, ethic and career development. Employers values ethical workers. Traits like honesty, responsibility, and fairness make you a dependable employee. Being ethical at work means meeting deadline, not cheating, and also speaking up against injustice. Well, etiquette in the workplace narrations. Workplace etiquette includes being punctual, dressing professionally, using polite language, and respecting colleagues' time and also space. These habits build professionalism. Well, ethic in leadership narrations. Ethical leaders are role models. They lead by example, admit mistakes, and treat everyone fairly. Whether you lead a class project or a company, ethical behavior earn respect and also loyalty. Well, etiquettes in leadership narrations. Leadership's etiquettes include listening to team members, giving clear and respectful feedback, celebrating others' success, and etiquette shows emotions and intelligence in leaderships. So, how etiquette reflect personality narrations? Etiquette is the mirror of your personality. It shows that you are aware, respectful, and social mature. People remember those who are courteous and also considerate. Well, everyday ethics scenario narrations. Imagine you see someone drop money on the street and you have a choice: keep it or return it. Ethic guides you to do what is right, even no one would know. Well, this is the example of everyday etiquette scenario narrations. Imagine you are on the crowded bus and elderly or the older persons get on. Etiquette says you should over your seat. Small gesture show big characters or good characters. Well, ethic during conflict narrations. In a disagreements, ethic help you stay respectful, listens, and not lie or blame. Ethical conflict resolutions bring peace and also understanding. Well, etiquette during conflict narrations. Politeness during disagreements include not yelling, letting others finish speaking, using calm down language, and this keeps the discussions productive. Well, ethic and community engagement narrations. What is that? Being involved in your community ethically means volunteering sincerely, not expecting rewards, respecting all members, such as involvement strengthens society. Well, etiquettes in community event narrations show etiquette by being on time, following instructions, helping clean up after event, and good manners create harmony. Self-reflections activity narrations. Please think, students, about a time when you act ethically or use proper etiquette. What happened? How did it affect others? And reflecting help us grow and also improve. So this is the group activity narrations. In group, please share your experience about ethical dilemmas or etiquette challenge, and please discuss how you handle them and what you learn. Learn from each other's stories. Well, the task is about write a short essay analyzing your daily behavior in the term of ethics and also etiquettes. Please provide examples, challenges, and also lesson learned. Submit it in the next week for the review. Well, thank you for participating in these lessons. Always remember that ethics and also etiquettes are the building block of a strong, kind, respected personality. Practice them daily and you will see the positive change in your life and your community. I think that's all for today, and have a great day, students. Bye-bye.
Universitas Teknokrat Indonesia, alma mater tercinta.